How to make and create promotional flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create promotional flyer on Canva in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account, go here, click on create a design. Now search for flyer and click on it. It will take you directly to this page. Now go right here and scroll down like this until you find promotional flyer option. Click on see all. Now you have many templates that you can choose between right here. Let's say for example I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can edit everything from here, as you can see, the text, the layers, the picture and everything. And after you finish, go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.